Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me Tania. I hope you're all fine and doing well. In my last video, tried to draw. Actually, I did draw Mr. Bean, the cartoon version. So today I'm doing Mr. Bean, aka Ron Atkinson, aka Mr. Bean. The last video when I was making it, I thought that let's draw the Rowan Atkinson too, because this cartoon has also a human version, like human. From that human they made that cartoon version, so of course I should draw it. So I thought let's try it, and I wanted to try such things because now I'm learning how to draw realistic portrait, and I was trying to find a way how to show you in a easy way, though the way I'm gonna do it is just it will help me in my classes, so that's why I'm doing it in this way. You can say that you can also use the smudge technique, the blending technique though, but I don't wanna use those because it's not that good using those. Actually we have to use tones. That's because we are learning, we are studying it, so that's why we have to use tones. We can't use just blending and shading, that type of thing, because our teacher always, even if we have to say the same thing, that shading, smudging, blending, those are really easy techniques and you should not try those right now, because you are learning, so you should try to do something really artistic, and giving tones, playing with lines, those are really artistic way to do. So that's why we are doing it, and also in my future it's gonna help. That's why I thought let's do it, because in future I gotta need to use silver tones, character tones, so many tones. So I thought why not to try it, and I gotta practice it. I don't have that much time, so whenever I get time I try to do practice. And because I make videos, that's why it helps me a lot to try new things to keep me in practice, because right now in my class we are not doing this, like we are not using tones. We are just right now we are doing perspective class, so we don't need this tone right now, but I know that in future I'm gonna need it, so that's why I am trying to do practice as much as it possible for me. Here now I have started to doing the details as much as I can. I'm gonna use 4B pencil, 10B pencil and 2B pencil. And also I want to say that it's not that looking like same to same or something like that, and I'm sorry for that because I'm still learning, so forgive me for that. And there are so many ways to draw portrait, but like you can use measurements, you can use apps for that to do, which will help you to draw portraits, realistic portrait, like for the first layer. But I really love to depend on my observations, like I will observe it and then I will draw it, and this is what I want to do. I don't want to use any kind of measurement, like this eyes is there, that nose is there, that hair is there, something like that. I want to observe that, oh, that eyes is like that there, and I gotta do like this, something like that. Every people has their own way to draw realistic portraits, like their drawings. Though I have heard that if you want to do good in drawings, then you have to know how to draw first, like you have to be good in drawings. So I am focusing on my drawing, not like the other things like the colors or something like that. I'm focusing on my drawing, that if I do the drawing correct, then I will be able to do color and all those things too. If you're thinking that if you just copy or trace somewhere, I don't like that much tracing. Like I don't do it. I completely depend on my observation. Then I draw it, and it really feels satisfaction that you have drawn it by yourself without any taking any help or without using any shortcuts. So it's gonna make you feel a little bit satisfaction, which is really important for me. That's why I don't use any kind of such measurements or such shortcuts, because I wanna learn it, because I wanna draw anyone, like anyone. I will just see it and I will draw it. That's why. And as you can see that I'm trying my best to do it, and here I did a mistake that at the end of this portrait you will see that the tone, the color is looking all the same, like you can hardly see the dark and light, dark and shadow. So which is it was a kind of fault for of me. I should take care of it. From my next portrait I'm gonna be really careful about it. And I know it's not looking like totally Rowan Atkinson, but as long as I tried it, so it's okay. You don't have to be perfect. And when someone does a perfect realistic portrait without using any shortcuts, that doing that thing is really difficult, hard. It's really time consuming, and also you have to practice a lot, and you can just do it in one day. You have to take days for that, and you have to do regular practices. So if you draw just one portrait in a day and you will like, oh, I can draw a realistic portrait now, this is not true. You have to learn, you will have to see so many things, learn so many things, do so many things. So don't just think that it's just a one day thing, because it's not a one day thing. The more I'm doing it, the more I'm drawing, the more I'm learning so many things. I'm learning so many things about drawings that I should from next video, from next portrait I'm gonna notice this, I'm gonna notice that, I have to take care about this, I have to take care about that. So I'm learning so many things. Practice is important. It's all about practice. You just have to do it. You can only do it if you do a lot of practice. Drawing is all about practice. Though I'm saying that I should do practice, I got to do practice, but I don't do it, which is a really shameful thing. And I'm really a lazy person. That's why I don't practice a lot, though I should practice a lot, because the height, the level that I wanna be on, then that if I wanna achieve that, then I have to do a lot of practice. I know I have to do a lot of practice, but I don't do it. This is because of my laziness. But I gotta do it. If I wanna cut a good mark, if I wanna do something that I really wanna do, because of that I have to do everything. By the way, because I'm using a graphite pencil, that's why the lights are reflecting, that's why it's looking too much white when it's not that white. So I'm sorry for that. I tried to draw her kind of bear, shaped bear, which was not that a cool idea, and it ended up looking like this. He has really thin leaves, and it was quite good that that lips is not looking that much bigger. Now it's end. I'm done. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe my channel. Bye.